Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. Today we're looking at an 04 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one went a little upside down, but still got a great running 4.8. This is a low miles engine. There's about 109,000 miles on it. As you can hear, it's purring away in there, very quiet, smooth running. We'll go inside and check it out. Alright, let's get to the mileage. There it is at 109,461 miles, which is nothing for an LS motor. They go for 400,000 easy. Oil pressure just under 40 pounds. Warmed up, give it a rev up. Very responsive motor. It's very snappy. So if you're looking for a great running 4.8 for your truck, or if you're looking for a motor for your project, give us a call at Just Chevy Trucks. Our number is 207-457-5500. Thanks.